Your turn.
11, 12, 13.
Write the numeral. That's a fancy word for number. Okay, numeral just means number. So write the numeral or number for each word. We've done this before. Look at this word. So you're going to have to use some of those reading skills that we're working on. Okay, what does it say? 12. Okay, what does 12 look like?
1, 2.
Janetta, come on up. What does 12 look like? All right, there we go. Next one. Connie, come on up. You guys think about what that says. What is that number?
7.
7. Good. Everybody, what's that number?
11.
11. Awesome. Man, you guys are good at reading those words. Don't worry, if you didn't get picked to come up, we're going to be doing fun stuff in science. You'll have more opportunity to come up. I know you guys like this smart board. Is that right? Is that right, everyone?
Yeah.
Yep. Good job.
Good job.
Or do you want to do it on your own?
Doing our own.
Okay, go ahead and do it on your own if you feel comfortable. Count with me if you want to do it with me, okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Grouping the tens. So we'll just circle that group. Okay, let's start over again. 1. Are you guys with me? Okay, let's stop and do this together. Pencils in the ditch.
I already got it.
Okay, count with me. Ready?
74.
1, 2, 3, 77, 78, 79, 80. Does that look right, Arthur? Is it right? What do you think, guys? Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Do you want me to help you? You have another question? Again, start with the largest number. Always start with the largest number and then add the boxes. So 36, 30. Yep, 38.
And what's this?
Falcon.
The Falcon of
38.
Fremont 38. Very good. You know that we believe together we teach. Let's read this together. Together we teach. Together we learn. Together we succeed. And that's what I see in this classroom. You work together, you learn together, you even teach each other at times. I see that, and that's wonderful. What do you think about when you look up in the sky? What does it make you think of? What are your thoughts? What are your feelings?
I know exactly.
Hand. Give me some hands.
It makes me think of my mom.
I see, yes. So the sky has a lot of feelings for a lot of people. How about you? What do you think of?
Oh.
It's so respectful to look up in the sky and to know that there's much more out there than the things that we're just studying, huh? I know we see things like the moon and the sun and stars. Well, a lot of us look up there and we get a stronger feeling than even that. When I look up at the sky, one of the things I do is I wonder. I wonder how long it would take to get to that star. I wonder. What do we see at night? What's one of the first things that we notice?
Stars.
Yes, how about you? What do we see?
Stars.
We see stars.
Moon.
What else do we see?
The moon.
The moon. What do we see every day that is a star?
A sun.
The sun. Very good. Yes, we see the sun. When we look up today in the night sky, we see stars shining at night. We know that the sun is a star. We see the moon shining at night. Does the moon give off its own light?
No. Yeah.
Think about that. Talk to your partner. Does the moon give off its own light?
No. Yeah.
I hear some yes, some no.
No. Yes. No.
What do you say?
No.
The sun provides light because it's a star. It helps us see the moon, and it makes the moon shine bright. It's the sun. The sun provides us with warmth, and it helps plants grow, and it helps us survive. What is the earth? Talk to your partner first. What is the Earth? The Earth is a...
Planet.
Ah!
Uh-huh.
The Earth, say it again.
Planet.
Earth is a planet. Planet. Is it the only planet?
No.
Who knows the names of some other planets? By hands. Hands. What are some other planets? Jupiter! Great big planet. Much bigger than the Earth.
Saturn.
Saturn! Very good, with rings. That's a planet. What else?
Mars.
Mars is a planet. Yes. Earth is a planet. Say planet.
Planet.
Planet. And say, if I connect that star with that star and with that star, if I drew a line, do you know what those are called?
Shape.
Shapes. Who can connect this to make what's called a constellation? Can you say that? Constellation. Constellation. Come on up. Connect this, connect these stars together, and we'll make a constellation. That one, and now this one. And one of the famous constellations is the Big Dipper. Okay?
We're going to look at what happens when the stars are closer to the Earth. So pretend my flashlight is a star. Okay? And let's say this is I'm right there next to the Earth. That's the star. And look at what happens when I step back. What happens to that light?
It's bigger.
Bigger? Yeah. The light gets bigger. And
Darker.
okay, it does. We know stars, when they're close to the Earth, they are bright. And as the stars are further away from Earth, what happens to them?
They get darker.
Darker, not as bright. Right. Does the sun move across the sky? No. Okay, the Earth is doing what?
Rotating.
Rotating. Which star do you see better right now? The one on the right or the one on the left?
Right here.
Okay, the one on the left. You know why that star is brighter?
Why?
Okay, it's bigger. How many have looked up in the sky and wondered, wow, why is that one so bright?
That's me.
Byron, and how come this one over here is just, I can barely see that one?
Because it's really bright.
Okay, it's bright, but what makes it bright? So when the star is close to the Earth, it's
Brighter.
brighter.
Sun.
Everybody, what is it?